Faceless YouTube channels are printing thousands of dollars every single month. And the best part? The people running them never show their face, never use their own voice, and spend less than 10 minutes making a video. If you want to start a highly profitable side hustle in 2026, this is your golden ticket. In this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step process to create high-quality viral AI videos for free using ChatGPT and a PowerF. Step 1 is all about the content. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short, highly engaging script for your video. For this example, let's ask it to write a 1-minute script about 3 dark psychological facts about human behavior. As you can see, within seconds, ChatGPT generates a perfect, attention-grabbing script with a strong hook. Copy this text because we are going to need it for our next step. Step 2. Head over to HeyGen.com. This tool creates photorealistic AI humans that speak naturally. Go to the Avatars section. You will find hundreds of premium digital humans, from business professionals to casual creators. Pick one that matches your video's vibe. Since our topic is psychology, let's select a serious, professional-looking avatar. Drag and drop it onto your video timeline. Now, for step 3. Paste the script we copied from ChatGPT into the text box below the avatar. You can select different languages and US accents right here. Once you are happy with the settings, click on the Submit button. HeyGen will take a couple of minutes to process the video. And boom, look at the screen. The lip sync, the hand gestures, and the eye movements look absolutely flawless. It's almost impossible to tell that this person isn't. You can download this video in full HD and upload it to YouTube or Instagram Shorts. This is how easy it is to start an automated cash cow channel today. If you want more secret blueprints on how to use AI to grow online, smash that subscribe button and join the AI Plus MG family. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.